Using Odoo accounting software is straightforward and designed to streamline your financial management. Here's a beginner's guide on how to get started. Log into Odoo. Access your Odoo account and navigate to the accounting module from the dashboard. Set up company information. If you're a new user, input your company details, including name, address, and tax information. This setup ensures accurate financial reporting. Configure accounts. Go to the Configuration tab and set up your chart of accounts based on your business needs. You can customize account types for better financial tracking. Manage invoices. To create an invoice, navigate to the Customer section, click Invoices, and select Create. Fill in the customer details, products or services, and payment terms, then save or send the invoice directly. Record expenses. Similarly, go to the Vendor section to create bills for your expenses. Input vendor details and expense items, and then confirm the bill. Generate reports. Utilize the Reporting section to generate financial statements, such as profit and loss reports or balance sheets, helping you analyze your business performance. Reconcile bank statements. Import your bank statements and reconcile them against your transactions to ensure accuracy.